This is Ox Java Hero at Male Anchorage. Today is 28th February 2022. We are lowering and ranging at forecastle deck, starboard side anchor chain. This is because we want to clear the chain locker for preparation of the chain locker for renewal of the steel plates. This is starboard side anchor chain. We are ranging on forecastle deck. Port side, all the shackles we lowered into water, and thickness of the shackle is good. We have checked both side, port and starboard side, thickness of shackle is good. Only a canter shackle of starboard side at number 6 length we have to renew the canter shackle.